Hey folks, got another cool truck for you to check out today. Wait till you see this one. This is a 2006 Ford F-150. It's a 4x4 with a Super Crew cab, and it's been modified. The back bumper was taken off, and you got side exhaust back here. Now this truck's located in Denver, Colorado. My name is Eric. There's a bunch more pictures of this truck on my website at nextstepprosales.com. I'm marketing it for a guy, and I do all the advertising, handling the inquiries for my customers. This is a private sale, and the owner, Andy, does have a clear title. Super clean truck here. This has got the 5.4 liter 24 valve Triton V8 motor, and get this, it's only got about 48,000 miles. Now Andy's owned it for about a year, and as far as I know, this truck's always been garaged. Now some of the other modifications on it, it does have a Roush supercharger on it. It is a 4-speed transmission with overdrive. Again, 4x4 suspension with 4-wheel disc brakes. It's got auto start. It's got a security system. Just got a new catalytic converter, new battery, and it's got the true dual exhaust on here and some new headers. So wait till I start it up. It's got a really good sound to it. Power sunroof, rear sliding window, keyless lock entry, cruise control, front memory seat setting. It's got a clear bra, fog lights, heated front seats, electric tonneau cover back here. Now you can see that right here, and I'll move that in just a second. Now the tires on here are Nitto tires. They're 305 40R22s, and the DOT on them is 1722. Super clean truck. Now, this looks like leather, but it feels kind of more like vinyl. But boy, it's got a nice look to it. I'll show you the motor here. We're super clean. And again, like I said, it's done some modifications here. So it's definitely, by the way, there's a dyno readout picture that I have in all the photos. And I think this ran up to something like 450 horsepower or something like that. But super clean. Let me get in and start it up. $48,000 miles. But you can kind of hear that exhaust. Yeah, it's definitely got juice there. Now then, this is the power, electric power. Comes up, and then the tailgate will come down. It's all carpeted back here. You really did a neat setup with this. And again, you got the side exhaust right there. Again, truck's located in Denver. Bunch more pictures on my website. Now showings are by appointment only, so give me a call at 720-660-3062 if you want to set up a showing. Because this is not on a showroom lot. It's up here at Andy's, one of the garages that he's got it stored in. But just a gorgeous looking truck. Now there are a few little minor scratches. I kind of noticed a little bit right in here. And then there was one scrape on the tailgate back here. Just a little, you can kind of just see it right there. But good looking truck, 48,000 miles for an 06. And if you got any questions, like I said, give me a call, 720-660-3062. Andy can give you a little more history on the truck if need be. And hopefully we'll see you here in Denver. Thanks for watching, everybody.